So I noticed that Capital One has partnered up with Major League Baseball, and they have now become the official bank and the official credit card of Major League Baseball. I noticed this on the World Series as I was watching the Dodgers and the Yankees. Now let's take a look at the Capital One credit cards and see if it's a right card for you. As I've been watching the latest MLB World Series of 2024, the Yankees versus the Dodgers, I have noticed that some of the commercials that are playing and even the advertisements in the background, I've noticed that Capital One is the one of the main sponsorships in this whole World Series. Not only the World Series, but actually Major League Baseball. So I thought I'd take a look at the website that is listed, which is on Forbes.com. The Forbes Advisor, I can see that they have an article pertaining to the Capital One MLB credit card benefits. And let's go ahead and scroll through this a little bit, and I can tell you that there's a lot of information on this article that gives us some good information about the credit card and MLB, and also the partnership that they have, such as with this credit card, it gives you benefits and privileges on tickets and experiences, MLB shop discounts. You can get a discount if you use this card if you shop with MLB. You can also, in addition, you'll get access to amazing exclusive memberships such as VIP, which is available for those VIP members to access the All-Star Weekend festivities, batting practice at stadiums, and also meet and greets on the field with MLB legends. And if you scroll down a little bit, there's some more information that Capital One will provide, such as entertainment. And there's a little section of the article on how to use Capital One cards for MLB tickets. But this article gives you some pretty good information about just the card in itself, how to use Capital One, and how to use it for MLB tickets. This is a pretty good website that is informative for those that are seeking Capital One credit card. But what I want to do is let's go ahead and scroll up to the top a little bit and click on this link that they have provided, which is to learn more, and you can get some more information on the credit card itself. Actually, they do have several credit cards. So here we are. I went ahead and clicked on the link, and you can see that the best Capital One credit cards of October of 2024. And if you scroll down, you can see at the top are the featured credit cards that are provided. Some of these are the more exclusive credit cards, meaning that you really need a good or an excellent credit score, such as this one here. It requires a credit score of 700 to 749, which is good to excellent to even be considered for this credit card. But you can see it has an annual fee of $95, will welcome bonus points of 75,000, and interest rate of about 19%. Now here is Capital One, their travel credit card. This one is very similar. You need an excellent score, 750 to 850. It has a higher annual fee of $395, but amazing rewards points at 75,000. This Venture Rewards credit card is pretty good as well, but you do need good credit, 700 to 749. Annual fee is $95. And if you scroll down, you'll see some other cards. This one is the rewards credit card for Venture One from Capital One. 0 in annual fee, 20,000 rewards bonus. And here is another credit card, is annual fee of 0, but you do need 700 to 749 credit score to even be considered. Here's a Quicksilver Cash Rewards card. This one also good to excellent credit, 700 to 749 is required. An annual fee, nope, no annual fee, so this one's not too bad. Here are some of the more average credit cards. This one is fair to limited credit score. You can get this one if you are having trouble with your credit score. No, annual fee is $39. No bonus points on this one. And let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit more, and we'll see that there's another credit card that is similar to this. You can see there's no bonus points on this, but the interest rate is 30%, which is pretty high compared to those premium ones that we had at the top. So down here, we'll scroll down a little bit more. Average to fair or limited credit score, no bonus points, 30% interest rate, no annual fee, so that's good. However, you can see you're just going to get hit with that high interest rate and no bonus points on some of these entry level cards. There you go, limited to bad credit, no interest, no bonus points. interest, no annual fee. However, you have those very high interest rates. So here's a little side-by-side comparison chart we can look at, and you can see that the better premium cards at the top, which will require excellent credit, they do have annual fees, but the bonus points are amazing compared to the entry-level credit cards where you get no rewards, you get high interest, but you can get into them with a lower credit score, but the rewards and the benefits almost really don't pay off. So as you can see, it's very worthwhile to have just a good credit score, a good credit profile, so you can obtain these better credit cards rather than these entry-level ones. These entry-level cards, you're just going to get no rewards points. As you can see the NA, and high interest rates, where the better premium credit cards, you get amazing bonus mile rewards and lower interest rates, and just better overall credit score, probably with a higher credit limit at the same time. Whereas as those entry level ones, you're not going to get much of a limit. You might get limited on your credit card limit. But now, as you can see, going through that information from Capital One, that there are different credit cards, and the better credit score you have, the better your credit profile is, the better credit cards you can obtain. If it's not so good, then you are more likely only going to qualify for the entry level credit cards, which have higher interest rates, no bonus points, and you want to be able to get to those good premium credit cards. So if you're struggling with your credit score, your credit profile, and you need some help to bring it up from maybe a low number to a higher number, go ahead and look at my website down below. You can sign up for a free ebook. I can help you get a better understanding of the basics of credit. I also have free consultation, and I do have a program that I can work with you to help you get from a low score to a higher score, to improve your credit report, to improve your credit score, to help you get into a better credit card if you need it, or a home loan, or also an auto loan, or whatever you need. A good credit, let me know. I can help you out, and just contact me, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.